The role of geologists. What creates a mountain or volcano? Why do earthquakes occur? Geologists are scientists who study Earth to answer questions like these. They develop theories that try to explain Earth's processes. Question 1. What is the main role of a geologist? 1. A. Studying plants. B. Studying Earth and its processes. C. Studying the weather. D. Studying animals. Earth's basic structure. Geologists think Earth is composed of 3 basic parts. We live on top of Earth's crust or outer shell, which is hard and very thin. Beneath the crust is the mantle, which is thick and hot and partly made of liquid rock. At the center of Earth is the core that consists of a hot liquid outer core and a solid inner core. Question number 2. What is the Earth's outer shell called? 1. A core, B. Mantle, C. Crust, D. Lithosphere. The lithosphere and asthenosphere. Geologists call the outer portion of the surface of Earth the lithosphere. The lithosphere is composed of the crust and part of the mantle. It is mostly solid rock. It varies in thickness from about 1 mile to over 100 miles. The lithosphere is not a continuous solid surface. Question number 3. What is the lithosphere made of? 1. A liquid rock, B. Mostly solid rock, C. Ice, D. Gas. Geologists believe that it is made up of many large separate plates. These plates glide on top of a softer layer of Earth called the asthenosphere. The asthenosphere is very hot, partly liquid rock. Question number 4. What layer is beneath the lithosphere? 1. A core, B. Mantle, C. Asthenosphere, D. Crust. Tectonic plate movements. These separate tectonic plates of the lithosphere move only a few inches every year. However, over millions of years, this adds up to many miles. For example, the Atlantic Ocean was created through the slow movement of tectonic plates away from one another over millions of years. Question number 5. How fast do tectonic plates move? 1. A. Several miles per year. B. A few inches per year. C. 10 feet per year. D. 1 mile per year. Types of plate boundaries. As the plates move, various things may happen. A plate may pull away from another plate. A plate may push underneath another. Or 2 plates may just slide past one another. The edges of the plates are called boundaries. The table explains this in more detail. 1. Divergent boundary. Plates pull away from one another. 1. This creates new crust when magma, hot liquid rock, comes to Earth's surface between the plates and cools. 1. This is how the Atlantic Ocean was formed. 2. Convergent boundary. One plate pushes underneath another. 2. The result of this is called subduction. 2. This destroys crust, driving it into a trench or pushing it upward to create mountains. 2. This is how the Andes Mountains on the west coast of South America were formed. 3. Transform boundary. Plates slide past one another. 3. The San Andreas Fault Zone of California is an example of this. Question number 6. What happens at a divergent boundary? 1. A. Plates push underneath each other. B. Plates slide past each other. C. Plates pull away from each other. D. Plates melt into each other. Understanding subduction. Subduction occurs when one plate is forced underneath another. Within the ocean, large trenches are formed through subduction. Subduction also forms islands and mountain ranges as this contact between the plates forces great ridges upward over time. Question number 7. What is formed through subduction within the ocean? 1. A. Islands. B. Large trenches. C. Volcanoes. D. Mountains. Volcanoes and earthquakes. Volcanoes may form along the boundaries where these shifting tectonic plates meet. Volcanoes are mountains where magma, hot liquid rock, may erupt through Earth's surface. Earthquakes also result from the collision of tectonic plates. Earthquakes are a shaking of Earth due to the readjustment of Earth's surface because of plate movement. Question number 8. What causes earthquakes? 1. A. Collision of tectonic plates. B. Melting of glaciers. C. Erosion of land. D. Lightning strikes. The Ring of Fire. Geologists' theory of plate tectonics explains the location of volcanoes. Volcanoes tend to form along the boundaries of Earth's shifting plates, the edges of continents, undersea mountain ranges, or chains of islands. These types of volcanoes are called plate boundary volcanoes. Mount St. Helens, Mount Hood, and Mount Rainier in the Cascade Range in the northwest United States are plate boundary volcanoes. The Cascade volcanoes were formed by the Juan de Fuca plate being forced underneath the North American plate. Some volcanoes are not located along plate boundaries. These are called intraplate volcanoes. Geologists think that these form at a hot spot within a plate where magma is forced to Earth's surface. The Hawaiian Islands comprise a volcanic chain of islands with intraplate volcanoes. Many of the most active volcanoes in the world are in the Pacific Ocean area. Because so many are concentrated there, the area is often referred to as the Ring of Fire. Question number 9. Where are many of the world's most active volcanoes located? 1A, Atlantic Ocean. B, Pacific Ocean area, often referred to as the Ring of Fire. C, Arctic Circle. D, Indian Ocean. Ocean depths and tectonic plates. One of the deepest places in the ocean was made from the collision of two tectonic plates. Question number 10. What creates one of the deepest places in the ocean? 1. A, erosion by rivers. B, melting of glaciers. C, collision of two tectonic plates. D, meteor impact.